Having delivered solutions for people's lives around the world for more than a century,
we are focused on delivering holistic well-being for both humanity and the planet.
genuine mental and physical well-being cannot be achieved through individual forms of care.
We know that our lives will be healthier if they are cared for in a holistic way.
We believe that there are 4 main areas of well-being and that a comprehensive approach to them is essential.
We will share with you our vision of the future in each of these areas.
Inner, outer, spatial and social well-being. As for inner well-being, we will realize personalized, inclusive and sustainable cooking solutions.
The kitchen of tomorrow will be a place where products and services work together to make it easier for everyone to learn even the most difficult cooking processes.
We will work with external partners to enhance the value that Panasonic provides on a wide range of food-related issues. For example, by combining the knowledge of food ingredients with our product's learning capabilities.
Outer well-being provides both preventative care and treatment for our ever-changing bodies.
We believe that through the integrated analysis of personal physical and mental health data, it will be possible to care more effectively for your body as it grows.
Skin, hair and oral care, the quality of diet, exercise and sleep of you and your family can be improved.
Through the value of these new experiences, we hope to support aging care and reduce the burden on healthcare services.
Spatial well-being will create safe environments that protect us from health risks, yet also deliver enhanced relaxing experiences.
Inhibiting certain unwanted bacteria and allergens from entering the house, and blending devices into your spaces will become the new norm for the home.
A better sleeping experience can be achieved through sensor technology and calculation of intelligent algorithms.
Finally, social well-being focuses on achieving a healthy balance between people and the planet.
While we strive towards carbon neutrality through CO2 reduction solutions that utilize our own unique technological capabilities,
we will also commit ourselves towards developing a circular economy. We will continue to take a proactive role in environmental initiatives on a global scale.
we take pride and a sense of responsibility to help our society achieve better well-being through new experiences and collaboration.
We hope that you will look forward to a new Panasonic that will realize true holistic well-being for people, society, and the planet.
Create today.
Enrich tomorrow.
Panasonic.